Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this interesting radical equation. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload any content, and don't forget to like this video. Alright, let's get started. We're asked to find the possible values of x that can satisfy this radical equation, which is the cube root of 9 minus x plus the cube root of 26 plus x equal to 5. But by inspection, you can clearly see that x equal to 1 will satisfy the equation, because if x is equal to 1, we have 9 minus 1, which is 8, so we have cube root of 8 here, plus 26 plus 1 is 27, so we have cube root of 27. And you know that cube root of 8 is 2, and cube root of 27 is 3, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is to the right hand side. Therefore, x equal to 1 is a valid solution. But we don't know whether we have other solutions. This is why we have to solve it completely. First of all, I would like to cube both sides because I have a cube root. So if I cube the left hand side, raise it to the power of 3, I have to raise the right hand side to the power of 3. This problem can be solved by substitution, but I don't want to do that because I realize it can be solved without substitution. But one thing you should always remember is the identity. If you have a plus b raised to the power of 3, this is equal to a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3 plus 3 multiplied by ab multiplied by a plus b. This is the expansion of a plus b to the power of 3. So if you realize, this is our a and this is our b. All right, let us substitute. So the whole of this will be what? This to the power of 3, it will eliminate the cube root, leaving 9 minus x. So we have 9 minus x. Plus the second term, if you raise it to the power of 3, you have only the radicand 26 plus x. We are done with a cube plus b cube. Then plus 3 multiplied by AB. What is AB? It means we should take the whole of this and multiply by this. Since they have the same radicals, we can take a single radical, which is the cube root. Then we multiply the radicands, these two. Let's start with x squared by multiplying negative x by x. That will give us negative x squared. Then those times with x, you take 9, you multiply it by x. That will give us 9x. Then you take 26, you multiply by negative x. That will give us negative 26x. So this together we have negative 17x. Then the constant, we take 9, we multiply by 26, and that will give us 234. So we have plus 234. All of these are under the cube root. So this is what? 3ab. But we still have this, right? A plus b multiplied by a plus b. It means we should take this and add it to this. We have a cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of 26 plus x. All right, we are done with the expansion. Then the whole of this will be equal to 5 to the power of 3, which is 125. So this is 125. Negative x will cancel x. What do we have? We have 9 plus what? 26. And 9 plus 26 will give us what? 35. So we have 35 right here, plus 3 multiplied by the cube root of negative x squared minus 17x plus 234 multiplied by this. But if you observe, this is equal to 5. Cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of 26 plus x is equal to 5. You see that from the original equation? So we are going to substitute that with 5. And this is equal to 125. All right, this can be divided by 5, this can be divided by 5, and all of this. So these 3 terms are multiples of 5. Therefore we are going to divide from left to the right by 5. If you divide 35 by 5, you have 7 exactly. So this is 7 plus 3 multiplied by the cube root of negative x squared minus 17x plus 2, 3, 4. 5 divided by 5 is 1, so we go to the right hand side. 125 divided by 5 will give us exactly 25. Then we can take this one to the other side, leaving 3 multiplied by the cube root of negative x squared minus 17x plus 2, 3, 4 equal to 25 minus 7 will give us 18 exactly. Then now we can divide both sides by 3. We have the cube root of negative x squared minus 17x plus 2, 3, 4. This is equal to 18 divided by 3 is 6. Now to get rid of this cube root, we are going to cube both sides again. If you do that, you're going to be left with only the radicand negative x squared minus 17x plus 2, 3, 4. And this is equal to 6 to the power of 3 is 216. 216. All right. I would like to take all of these terms to the right hand side. Taking negative x squared to the right hand side, it becomes positive x squared. If you take this one to the right hand side, it becomes positive 17x. If you take this one to the right hand side, it becomes negative, but this is positive already, so we have 216 minus 234, and this is equal to 0. 216 minus 234 will give us negative 18. So this is x squared plus 17x minus 18, and this is equal to 0. Now we have a standard quadratic equation that can be factorized. Let us think of two numbers which, when we multiply them together, we get the constant term, which is negative 18, and the moment we add the two numbers together, we get the coefficient of x, which is 17, and the numbers are 18 and negative 1. 18, negative 1. If you multiply them together, you get this. If you add them together, you get this. So let us factorize it. We have what? X plus 18 multiplied by x minus 1. This is equal to 0. By setting each factor to be 0, it implies that either x equal to negative 18 as 18 crosses over the equality sign, or x equal to 1 as negative 1 crosses over the equality sign. And hence, this is said to be the solution to this problem. But already we have seen by guess and check that 1 satisfies the equation. So now let us test whether negative 18 will satisfy that equation or not. All right. Let us check it here. Check. If x is negative 18, we have 9 minus negative 18, right? That is going to give us 9 plus 18, which is 27. So we have cube root of 27. Then plus, if this is negative 18, we have 26 minus 18, which is 8. So we have cube root of 8 here. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 8 is 2. If you add together, you have 5, which is to the right hand side, and hence negative 18 will also satisfy this equation. Therefore, the two valid solutions are negative 18 and positive 1. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.